In Lesson 10, we saw how smartphones placed powerful cameras into billions of hands. But in the 2020s, photography is evolving again, not through bigger sensors or faster shutters, but through something less visible, artificial intelligence. This is the era of AI and computational photography. In the past, a camera simply recorded the light that entered its lens. Today, AI doesn't just capture the image, it helps create it. Computational photography uses advanced algorithms to process multiple images, analyze scenes, and enhance results in ways traditional cameras never could. Take night photography. For example, in low light, older cameras struggled with noise and blur. Now, high-powered night modes combine several exposures, align them perfectly, and brighten shadows while preserving detail. The result? Crisp, vibrant images of scenes that once seemed impossible to photograph without a tripod and long exposure. Portrait modes can now detect faces, blur backgrounds with a simulated bokeh effect, and even relight a subject's face after the photo is taken. HDR algorithms balance bright skies with dark shadows in a single shot. AI can remove unwanted objects, sharpen blurry details, and suggest the best moment in a burst of shots. Some systems go further, using machine learning to identify what is in your frame and adjust settings automatically. Your phone might recognize a sunset, a plate of food, or your pet, and optimize color, contrast, and focus in real time. Professional photographers are also using AI tools for editing and curation. Software can now select the best images from thousands of shots, retouch portraits with natural precision, and even generate entirely new visual elements for creative projects. While some worry that AI might replace skill with automation, others see it as a new creative partner, freeing photographers from technical limits and letting them focus on vision and storytelling. The age of AI and computational photography reminds us that cameras are no longer just mechanical tools. They're intelligent collaborators blending science, art, and imagination. Follow and watch Lesson 12.